Don't tell me you live your single puddle. Life can you the sons about a butter. Don't bring your eye a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly as Emily got to. It's every second spell, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I must not bend down. I beat my drum. I found out you're turn up faster. Only touching thinking faster. I guess I didn't make it, but well, I'm a road shape affection. I walk along and there's my life's complexion. Doesn't understand your love inside. I can fly with a can try once. Only can I once fly. So, life is juicy, you see, I can have my bison. Can you ever me love because I'm a camera? Simply because I must my heart is drama. Don't bring around a cloud to rain in my parade. I'm gonna live now, get what I want, I know how. One word of the whole shebang, one and we will claim. I am the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot and bam. Hey, Mr. Einstein, here I am. I'm my band out. I beat my drum. Then I found out your turn up faster. And it doesn't make it faster. I didn't make it. Give me for me, come out. Look at my the drama. Nobody, no, nobody is gonna rain on my parade. Thanks for watching this video and comment down below and describe me. I'm also Katie and Martha and who we will be Joey and Louie did. Describe them and follow us on YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and every social media. So bye.